Hey you guys! This video is for all those healthy folks out there. We'll be preparing simple mushroom soup using a soup maker. All we need is 3 simple ingredients. Let's take the washed mushroom and slice them up. The other 2 main ingredients are 1 large sized onion and 10 to 15 cloves of garlic. Mushrooms are incredibly healthy and contain many nutrients. Those who want to lose weight can add this soup to their diet. Now we will get into the preparation. Take a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Add the garlic cloves and stir fry them. Once it turns golden brown and fragrant, add the chopped onion to it. After the onions are half cooked, we can add the sliced mushrooms to it. Add the salt to taste and stir them up. It is not necessary for the mushrooms to be completely cooked as we will be adding them into the soup maker. The soup maker will be taking care of the rest of the process. Now let's add all these to the soup maker. I'm using the one by Agaro. This is totally a lifesaver. And also add water up to the mark mentioned inside the soup maker. If you want a cream of mushroom soup, you can add a bit of heavy cream or butter to it. Let us close the lid and select the mode of the consistency which we want. I am choosing smooth mode as I want it to be. Now all we want to do is wait until the soup is finally prepared. After up to 19 to 20 minutes, our soup is ready. Just look how smooth it looks. All ready to serve. Just add a pinch of pepper and salt before the tasting. Try it out and thank me later. Do follow me for more interesting videos. Until next time, tata bye bye.